Hi everyone, I hope you are all fine. So today I am going to show you how to convert your university grades into the Spanish grades. So this is a website created by the Spanish government, and here you can convert your grades into the Spanish grading system. The link of this website is already in the description. You can follow it. So the first thing is this website or your application is permanently open. Whenever you want to access it, you can access it. So the first thing is just go to access the online services, or if you don't see in English, you can convert it into the English. If you can understand the Spanish, okay, go for it. If you have an account there, you can access it with your account, login, and if you don't have, then you should register here first. So I already register here. Go with the registration of natural person, and here put your all details here. I already uh, filled the all these tabs. These are the features names like Daniel, John, and birthday. And then here, while applying the ID number, you should go for the ID and near G. These are for the Spanish people. And if you are foreigners, you should go for the others and then put here your, I think, passport number or ID number. Then the password, whatever you want to create your password, it should be a very strong password because this website is very uh, important for your future perspectives. So emails and phone numbers, you should check these uh, declarations and then accept it. After accepting it, okay, no, never. After accepting it, they are sending me the information on my email, and then I will log in. So the thing is, okay, I have created my account. Now they sent me the information in my email, and now I'm going to, yeah, going to re-log in here. First, this is my document number, ID, and then password will be, okay, to access the application. Okay, after getting in your web application, you see this interface where you can access to the procedure. First of all, you go for the access to the procedure, and here you can add all of your university grades and university name and everything, and then after that, in the end, you will get the equivalent certificate, right? So request add, I do not, don't check this, just check this one and then accept. So the first thing is my credentials. Birthday was there 15, yes, this was my birthday. Sex male. You can say I'm from Pakistan. Why it's not, yes, Pakistan. Okay, and then save it. After that, you will see all of these steps. Follow the steps and you can do everything here. So the degree is, let's say, mm, master in mm, chemical engineering, Levitt is the master's. Country of studies like Pakistan. University name, whatever your university name is, just select here. Head vary university for whatever you want to select, you can select. Studio organize, right? So our system is on the credit system. If you have any other credit system, you should apply all these. So credit system total credit will be it's mentioned on your transcript, though the total number of credits there, you should put the total number of credits. But the problem is you should apply or put all of your subjects here to fulfill this total number of credit criteria. Otherwise, in the end, you're gonna get the error that your total number of credits does not match with your subjects. So let me put here, let's say just 9, because I'm going to put less subjects starting year, let's say 2018 and ending year 2024. 20. Yes, it's completed. Yes, homologated title, no. Save, and then study classification. Yes, here you have to select the same subject or the same field in which you are going to study, or in which you are going to continue your education. So as with the chemical or engineering, yes, engineering and chemical processes. If you are electrical, you can select this and electrical, or if you are a mechanical, then you can select here mechanical engineering, right? So these are the codes for these specific fields. Engineering and architecture, this is a Spanish branch. Save this. The next process is country of study scale. Here you should select the scaling system of your education. In Pakistan or in any other country, the university use the maximum 4 grading system or 5 grading system, or here in Spain they use the 10 grading system. So in my university they use A plus for the 4, right? A plus with the 4 maximum marks. So with the 10th grading system, so I use this one. If you have any other grading system, you should choose with respect to your own grading system. So this is very important to choose here. Subjects and credits, here you will add all of your subjects starting from the year starting year into the ending year. The first thing is I started my subject like any subject, uh, chemical processes, the first subject in the 2018 first semester, and I got, let's say, A plus marks, and the credits of this subject is 3, and I'm adding it. So now you can see here the 2018, the chemical process, A plus, and grade was my 3. And with respect to the Spanish grading system, you got 10 full marks. Okay, and then the next subject in the same semester, I studied like processes, any processes, and I got grades B plus, and total grade was 3. It will automatically calculate how much you will get with respect to the B plus grade, right? Then my next subject was in 2019, where I studied chemical reactions, and I got, let's say, B negative, and total grades was 3, right? And add. Now you see the total credits equal to 9, and you have put the total credits as 9, so it should be match, otherwise you're gonna get the error in the end. So I have completed my 9 credits and I have applied my subjects in 2018 first semester, 2018 second semester, 2019 third semester. As in the same way, you can apply all those years and all the subjects in the same way as you are watching on your transcript. The next process is the summary of the grades and overall grades. My overall grades was, let's say, out of 4, 3.6, right? I'm saving here. And then additional information. No, if you have a website, then you can have the website. Let me see which university I selected. Comset University. Okay, Comset Lahore. This is a Comset. Okay, let's save this. The information here and then save. Yes, the operation has been carried out successfully. And the next process is procedure is to which the declaration is submitted. No record found. Yes, here you should apply for the declaration that for what purpose I am going to get this equivalent certificate. The purpose is to get the scholarship or admission to the studies, right? So you can write the name of scholarship like university scholarship. Convenience the process, yes, and then select any university from the Spain and don't need other processes. Yes, and then go for the ninth. Yes, here you can add your documents. Let's select this document in the documents DMC and add it here. And then go for and finish. Yes, now it's finished. You can get your equivalent certificate from here. Print. You can yeah, document, and you can open it. So this is the equivalent certificate for your all of your credits. You can see here all of your subjects and credit grades and convert it into the form of equivalence Spanish grades. So this is a process how to convert your grading system. So thank you. Press like and subscribe